Alright, g'day guys, welcome back to the channel. Now yes, we are doing a voiceover and we are straight into it. So as you can see here, we've got the big Y62 Patrol. This is on a 2-inch lift with 35s, and as you can see, he's just absolutely crawling through here with ease. Now we're full driving at my lane. This is pretty much a road we're on right now, or a fire track. So it is technically legal to drive there because it's literally just a road. And as you can see here, he gets caught up on this big section here, but with a second attempt, bit of right foot, he is able to climb up that quite comfortably. Now a little bit awkward, but the mic wasn't connected to the audio for these first few clips of the cars, so hence why you're getting a lovely voiceover here. But as you can see, I'm coming through now in the Prado. Now I'm only on 33s with all-terrains and about a 2-inch lift, so haven't got the same lift that he does, and also haven't really set up my car for this sort of full driving, but I'm going to attempt the same line as him. As you can see here, I'm coming up to it now, and I remember just thinking, wow, this is massive. And you can see they're pretty good flex in the rear there, but I kind of went to a different line straight away, as you can see here. And then this is sort of the chicken track line, which is just a nice little side bit here. Okay guys, I've also just surpassed 1 million views on YouTube, so huge thank you to all you guys. And yeah, if you haven't already, feel free to subscribe for more full drive content to come in the future. So after this clip here, we then get the audio back, but unfortunately it was quite windy that day, so enjoy. Big patrol through here, we'll see how we go. Alright guys, this is the last clip. It's been a little while. I'm completely covered in mud. Phone's covered in mud. Car's absolutely caked in mud. I'm not sure you can see that. Lewin's way down there. I think he's stuck. Car is absolutely battered. This track's relentless. It's now 5:30. A lot of time has passed. I've literally got the rope just sitting on the jerry because we've been pulling it out every now and then. The car's definitely not as capable with the all-terrain 33s than the mud-terrain 35s, as you'd expect. But yeah, I think they're stuck down there now. And there's a bunch of other guys down there in that white Navara you may be able to see. They're also stuck as well. So they're waiting for us to help them because we can winch them out. And yeah, like literally covered in mud. So good fun. Been using the bunker recovery kit and max tracks every 5 minutes essentially. A bit gnarly. Look at that. Okay, it is pitch black. Navara's out, Prado's out, Patrol's out. It's absolutely crazy. It took so long, and not sure you can see, but the track's just over there. Car's absolutely filthy. I'll just show you around. Stacks of mud all under the car there. Yeah, it's being used for what I bought it for, which was to be a good full drive. Still got the shackle on the back. Tracks are on, but you can see they're really high because it's full of mud, but they're still down for the highway. The back looks quite clean actually, but super fun. Shout out to the other guys, managed to get them out in the end, just pulling it with the Prado. If I'm doing this full driving all the time, definitely would have gotten muddies, and in that scenario far out, definitely 35s. 35s was so easy for Lorne in his big Patrol. But I did buy this car and sort of modify it to this stage to be more of a tourer, hence the big tent and stuff. So I haven't really built it for this sort of stuff, hence why it probably isn't done as well. But the tracks helped out heaps, so max tracks, good on you. And the bunker recovery gear, very, very good. Well, yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully you enjoy, and we'll catch you guys next time on Built Cruisers.